Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Urban Decay's Naked Heat palette. And if you want to get your hands on this palette, you can shop through the link in the description box on the Lookfantastic website. This is what the palette looks like. It's orange in colour and has quite durable packaging. It also has a really good sized mirror and closes really nicely with a magnet. If you compare it to the original Naked palette, it is made out of plastic compared to the original, which is velvet and cardboard. This for me is much better as it can be easily cleaned and wiped down. The colour palette is also a lot warmer compared to the original, which is more greys and cool toned. The Naked Heat comes with a dual-ended brush, where one end is more fluffy and the other end is more pointed for more precision work. Here are some swatches of all of the colours. I would say that the glitter colours swatch the best. The only ones that haven't swatched so well are Ounce and Chaser, which are the lighter colours. I think the overall colour scheme is good for a warm natural eye, but also dark enough to do a smoky eye if you wanted to. I also love that there's a mixture of some metallic and matte shades. Okay, so let's get on to testing some of these shades on my eyes. I'm first going to go in with the shade Sourced, just as a transition shade, and I'm just going to do a wash of that all over my lid and blend out really well. This is not super pigmented, so blends out really nicely. Next I'm going to go in with Low Blow, which is a little bit darker than Sourced, and just go over the top of that with the same fluffy brush. These are my two most used shades because they're matte browns, so I use them as bronzers as well. Next I'm going to take Cayenne, which is a bit of a deeper, warmer brown, and blend that through the crease. These three colours are really buildable and layer together really nicely. The brush that comes with the palette is perfect for adding detail. So I'm going to use this to add some Enfuego into the outer corner of the eye. This is definitely showing up well and is a lot more pigmented than the other matte shades. I'm going to then take Ember, which is one of the glitter shades in the palette, and put that in the outer corner as well. I love the gold reflexes in this colour. Then just blend that out with a fluffy brush. For on the lower lash line, we're just going to repeat the same steps that we did on the top of the eye, just underneath. So blend out some Sourced and Low Blow, and then add some Enfuego and Ember to the outer corner. Just using your finger, take ounce and pack it on the inner corner of the eye and the inner third. I would prefer if this was a metallic shade rather than a matte, but it does still work well as a highlight colour. Add some liquid eyeliner, some brown pencil and some of the Maybelline Great Lash. This will finish off the look if you want to keep it fairly natural, or add some lashes for the extra glam. So overall, my pros for this palette are that the colour selection is really versatile, the packaging is durable and the metallic shades are really great quality. For my cons, I would say that the blending brush that the palette comes with is too stiff, the lighter shades are a little bit patchy and it's missing a shimmer highlight colour. I would give the palette an overall score of 7.5 out of 10. And if you want to shop the Naked Heat palette, just use the links below to the Look Fantastic website.